Ladies and gentlemen, Six Fig Stock Trader here on YouTube. August 5th, we got CKB pumping. I've got some big news for Bitcoin. This is going to get crazy. So welcome back to the channel, folks. First and foremost, I want to thank whoever it was that sent me the 420 CKB. I love it that you are willing to support the channel, and I also love the humor in that dollar amount. Whoever it was, send me the hash transaction code, and I would be more than happy to give you a shout out in the next video. So thank you so much again for that. I did get a good chuckle out of that. Back to CKB though, on the daily chart, as you can see, we have wicked above this 50 moving average. There's still 15 and a half hours left on the candle. Let's scoot on over to a 22-hour chart just because it gives us a little bit different perspective than the daily. We have glided through the cloud and have maintained support above this 50 moving average. More importantly, we are now above the cloud, but we are not out of the woods yet. We can see that we do have some full-bodied candles here, but I'm starting to see a little bit of indecisiveness, particularly with this candle wick on the top. Sellers are stepping in and liquidating the price back down, so shame on you if you are selling. We can definitely see on the 22-hour chart, though, things are looking halfway decent. I'm hoping to see some sort of bull pattern set up. Bull pennant, symmetrical triangle, ascending triangle, something like that right now above this cloud that could launch us up to meet this 200 moving average. Now, I've got some big news about Bitcoin and how August 10th is going to be such an important date for Bitcoin. I think that we will be able to prove this on by using several different methods. We can definitely see that we have a symmetrical triangle kind of pointing to around this August 10th number. Bear with me one second. Right about here, I think August 9th, August 10th, specifically August 10th is where I think we will know for sure whether or not Bitcoin on the daily chart will hold its ground. We're above the cloud. We've got a bull flagpole, symmetrical triangle, meaning we got a bull pennant forming. As long as we squeeze down into this triangle here, I think we're going to be golden, and I think we're going to see Bitcoin move up to at least this 45,000 level to test it. If we pass go, we're definitely going to see Elliott wave theory march. And I think this is going to be huge for the crypto market in general. But look for sometime around August 9th, August 10th for this to happen. It wouldn't be surprising to me if we saw Bitcoin trade as low as 38,200 with a median average of right around 40,000. 39.5, somewhere in there until August 10th. We're definitely probably going to trade sideways until that point in time. This is exciting. Nice bull flagpole, an opportunity to break through the 200 above the cloud, folks. I mean, this is so huge. We can see what happens here when this happens. So, for example, back here, we were in the gutter. Price action came up and over this 50 moving average, leaped through the 200, and it was nothing but one big setup from there. Granted, it did take a few months for this to play out, but this is what we are aiming for right here, and we are looking for the golden cross to occur because we had the death cross occur there. And if we can reverse this into a golden cross, folks, man, we might be in for another leg up, or at least a retest of the 65,000 Bitcoin later on this fall, in my opinion. So with that said, we kind of have to play the waiting game until August 10th. I think we should confirm this with Bitcoin. We have the symmetrical triangle forming, but it's always good to try and get a double confirmation out of things. And once you know, August 10th appears on the chart. Looking back in hindsight, we know that by measuring these two extremes here, this predicted a reversal, this predicted a drop-off, and this predicted a reversal here. So I would say that there is a strong chance that we will see a market movement with Bitcoin. I'm hoping to the upside to retest this 200 on August 10th. I think we will see the climb happen to 44.7 on Bitcoin. So folks, that's really all I have for you guys today. I've been traveling a lot, and that's why I haven't really been able to make a whole lot of videos. We will check in with Bitcoin tomorrow, though. I'm curious to see what the next candle prints on this. I think we're going to make it up and over this 50 moving average. My fear with CKB right now, though, is that we are running out of time to make it through this cloud before we sink back down lower. My worst fear is that we come down, and I've been talking about this, and we experience this corrective wave, which is not what we want to see. But with Bitcoin pointing all signs bullish right now, I think there's a good chance we can, at least if Bitcoin starts flying on the 10th, we may see CKB come up and test this 0.016-ish and a half level. So look for that, folks. That's really all I have for you guys today. I was on Crypto Airborne's channel last night breaking down Voyager token and CKB talking about that. If you're interested in seeing that video, visit his channel. Also, I threw up a poll asking what your favorite book is. Who's your favorite author? And in addition, I'm going to add to that poll, what is your favorite movie of all time? And the other question was, who is your favorite businessman or woman for that fact? So let me know in the comments section of that poll. And we'll catch you guys tomorrow for a checkup on CKB. Let me know in the comments what you're thinking here. Also, thank you to all the Patreons for supporting the channel. I truly appreciate every single one of you. I hope everyone has a great night. We'll catch you later.